Well guys, since this week I'm not able to do a Wildcats Revenge construction update for obvious reasons. Here's a Pipeline the Surf Coaster construction update. All this and more coming up next on PANJ Thrills.
Get ready, here we go.
So for those of you who don't already know, Pipeline is the first B&M Surf Coaster ever built. It kind of is a new take on the traditional stand-up coaster like Green Lantern and Six Flags Great Adventure, but this time features more seats that actually move up and down based on the forces of the riders. So it prevents, the crushing of your legs due to the high forces. And it's definitely a coaster I'm kind of intrigued. Pretty much all the track is already done, so looks great. I've been actually following the progress of this for months now. Some people like to only focus on coasters that are being built in their states. I like to look all around the country, and this is definitely one I've been intrigued about. Yeah. So to start, you're going to launch out up into an overbank turn. And you're going to go into kind of like a sideways airtime hill. It features one inversion, which is that corkscrew roll, and then you're going to go into the back half section of the ride, twisting and turning in every direction before ending up back at the station. And just like in my Wildcats Revenge construction updates, let's take a ride on the Sky Tower. For those Hershey people that are used to the Kissing Tower, one thing, you do have to pay $5 to get on this attraction. It goes to helping the animals and stuff. So definitely, if you come, make sure you catch a ride on Sky Tower. It is about $5, so not too bad. This is a little bit nicer than the Kissing Tower. Right.
Welcome aboard the SeaWorld Sky Tower. For the comfort and safety of everyone, we ask that you please remain seated at all times. Thank you. Welcome aboard the SeaWorld Sky Tower. As you take your ride up to a height of 300 feet, we thought it would be more enjoyable. For your own safety, please stay in your seats for the entire ride and no smoking, please.
Did we ride those?
Yeah.
That's the Mako, right?
Yes, that's
Did you know that SeaWorld has rescued and rehabilitated more than 39,000 animals?
the green one.
None of this would be possible without the continued support of our partner agencies, park guests like you, as well as people across the globe taking action to protect these amazing animals and their habitats. Our teams are on call 24/7, 365 days a year, partnering with multiple government agencies to rescue and help animals in need of our care, always with the goal of rehabilitating them and returning them to the wild.
You see all this stuff over there?
Yes.
It's see, there's the log, right?
Yeah.
And then right next to it is the crack.
So we're gonna try that one again. And then there's the other one. Right
Well,
there.
we're just about 300 feet up now, and from here you can see from miles and miles.
There's the park entrance. Huh? Yeah. Oh, I don't know.
Ticket and each experience helps fund wildlife rescue and rehabilitation,
That is Epcot over
habitat
there, guys.
protections, and ocean
Yeah,
health
remember.
initiatives.
One final thing to mention, that once pipeline is completed and this area is open, this will connect this full loop going all the way back from Mako to Icebreaker, all the way here to pipeline. But yeah, that's gonna be neat to be able to go on a 360 and not have to turn and walk all the way back. But this bridge here is pretty cool. I have to say, I've been able to get a lot of great shots here at Pipeline. You know, with Hershey Park and Wildcats Revenge, I'm not able to get that many good shots. But here at SeaWorld, oh my God, so many great opportunities to catch the construction. If you look right in there, you can kind of just barely see the trains. So, pretty cool. And well guys, that's gonna do it from this Pipeline, the Surf Coaster construction update. If you want to see more about this coaster, I highly recommend you go check out Dan from Midway Mayhem. I follow him on a weekly basis to keep up to date with this coaster, so it's cool to finally getting to see it here. Maybe someday when I come back, I'll be able to ride it, maybe this year in the fall or maybe next year. Hopefully it will be open soon. Dan, if you're watching, sorry I took your job for the day. But yeah, this was really cool getting to see this all here. So if you like this video, please hit that like button. Please hit that subscribe button. Stay up to date from all you need to know with Pennsylvania, New Jersey, and maybe a little bit of Florida here and there. But yeah, guys, and please leave a comment for me. I love reading your guys' comments. All right, take care, guys. Bye-bye.